Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe to bring you the most exotic, best tasting drinks from around the globe. Today we are south of the border in Los Cabos. We're at Flora Farms, and my friend Chino here is going to teach us how to make the Flora Standard. So, here we go. Chino, Flora Standard.
Yeah, man. That's the martini glass. We're going to use a slice of cucumber in there. Let's start using mint too. We want to mash all this. We're going to use a Hendricks here. If you got another one home, you can try it. I'm going to use 2 ounces of that. That's very easy and very simple to make, man. Half for lime and a half a simple syrup. I'm gonna make the same, 4 eyes and that.
Dile que según ya la próxima semana sí van a depositarlas ahora sí.
Okay.
Que según ya ahora sí la próxima semana las depositan en la tarjeta. Oye, ya pasita no digo nada.
You shake very well because we really want a cold drink. Okay. Just share. And we're going to use the ice bowl with the cucumber inside. And we're going to put a very colorful, nice flower in there. That's the farm.
Look at that. Cucumber ball inside the ice. That is amazing. This is the Flora Standard here at Flora Farms. That is amazing. That is amazing. My friend Chino here, when you come back down to Flora Farms, say hey to Chino.
Hi.
To get the recipe, go to PourManMike.com. And if you push this button right here, you'll become a 4 minion and you'll get a front of the line speed pass to every episode straight away, and a bunch of other cool free stuff. Until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see ya.